You know, when something goes wrong in the movies or TV, you can always do another take. But when things go wrong and your car breaks down, you don't get a do-over. And it can cost you thousands for repairs, unless you call CarShield before it broke down. Look, I've always been the same guy, straight talking and no nonsense, which means I don't want to pay thousands of dollars on a car repair if I don't have to. Plans through CarShield protect your car from expensive auto repairs and can cover up to 5,000 parts and systems in your car. Those important parts that you rely on, like your engine, transmission, electrical systems, AC, and more. If you're out of warranty, you're out of luck, unless you call CarShield before your car breaks down.
CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company, offering you even more for your money with their price lock guarantee. That means the price you pay today is the price you'll pay for as long as you cover your car. Best of all, you'll get access to CarShield's concierge service, who can even help you find a mechanic near you.
CarShield administrators have paid over $1 billion in repair costs. That's right, $1 billion. But don't just take it from me. Listen to what these folks have to say.
My rates never went up and my covers never went down.
We saved almost $3,000.
CarShield helped me save over $1,200.
CarShield helped me save over $2,000.
CarShield administrators go the extra mile by including coast-to-coast 24/7 roadside assistance for flat or damaged tires, lockouts, dead batteries, courtesy towing, and rental car options.
Look, we all know there's no do-overs in life. That's why you need to get it right on the first take and call CarShield today, before your car breaks down.
It's not a matter of if your car will break down, but when. Call CarShield now before it's too late and save money with your price lock guarantee. Call CarShield now. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.